Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Who doesn't love chocolates? And when it comes to dairy milk, from kids to senior citizens, everybody love it. What about we prepare a cake with dairy milk? It'll be superb, right? So let us see how to prepare this. So first take a bowl and add 1 full cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and then half a cup of sugar. I have blended it and made it into a powder and added it. Now mix well all the dry ingredients properly without any lumps are formed. Now once you are done with mixing this, add 3/4 of baking soda powder and then mix it nicely. Now put that aside. Now take another bowl and add the dairy milk chocolate into the bowl. Here I have taken 5 10 rupees chocolates. For 1 cup of maida, I have added 5 pieces of 10 rupees dairy milk chocolates here. Now you can check the quantity and add accordingly. Now take 3/4 cup of hot milk. Here I have added little amount of milk, hot milk into the chocolate, and I have started blending or mixing it nicely so that it will become a nice chocolate paste. Now once you are done with the paste, add the remaining milk into it. I have left a little bit, that's 1/4 cup of milk, and then added all the milk into it and mixed nicely with the chocolate, that is dairy milk chocolate paste. Now here comes our dry ingredients, and I have added 1/4 cup of oil into the chocolate paste, that is dairy milk chocolate paste. Add all the oil and then mix it nicely once, and then we have to add the chocolate paste into the dry ingredients. Now add little by little and then mix it continuously or stir it continuously so that there are no lumps in the batter. You need to stir it in only one direction so that there won't be any air bubbles. Now there is little bit of milk that is left, 1/4 cup of milk, that also I have added, and I have made into a nice batter. See, our batter should be like this in the pouring consistency. Now this is the perfect consistency for getting a perfect texture. Now take a cake tin and then grease it with oil or butter, and then add butter paper on top of it, and again grease it and the edges also. Now see, add the chocolate, dairy milk chocolate batter. See, you can see the ribbon type of pouring consistency. This itself tells you that your cake is going to be awesome and tastes awesome. Now dab it gently from the bottom and then see that there are no air gaps in it. Now preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 170 degrees, and again bake it at 40 minutes at 180 degrees. And after 40 minutes, that's it, your dairy milk chocolate is all ready. If you guys don't have oven, you can also preheat a pan and put it on a stove for 10 minutes, and then again put a stand and place the cake tin on top of it and close the lid and allow it to cook for 30 to 40 minutes, and then you'll be done with the cake. That process you can check our Domino's choco lava cake, you can find there. Now see, this cake is flaky on top and then moist in the middle, just like your dairy milk. What you feel that wetness at the end of eating the chocolate, you can feel the same. Isn't it mouth watering? Truly, it is finger licking delicious cake. Please do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you.